In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a network speed monitor on Windows 11. Monitoring your internet speed in real time can be really useful, especially if you're troubleshooting a slow connection, working from home, or downloading large files. Instead of visiting a speed test website every time, you can keep an eye on your upload and download speeds right from your desktop. On Windows 11, the easiest way to do this is by using a small third-party tool that places a live speed monitor right on your taskbar or desktop. It runs quietly in the background and gives you an instant view of what your connection is doing. First, open your web browser and search for a trusted network speed monitor for Windows 11. Look for a lightweight tool that clearly states it supports Windows 11, shows real-time upload and download speeds, and has good user reviews. Avoid anything that asks for unnecessary permissions or looks suspicious. When you've chosen a tool, download it from the official website or a well-known, reputable source. Once the installer has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the setup file. If Windows shows a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes, as long as you're sure you downloaded it from a safe source. Follow the on-screen installation steps. Usually, this just means clicking Next a few times and accepting the license agreement. You can leave most options at their default values unless you have a specific reason to change them. After installation is complete, the program should either launch automatically or you can open it from the Start menu by typing its name. When it first opens, you'll typically see a small window or panel that displays your current download and upload speeds. Some tools will immediately dock themselves to the taskbar or show up as a floating widget on your desktop. Take a moment to explore the settings. Here, you can usually customize where the speed monitor appears, such as on the taskbar or in a corner of your screen. You can also adjust how often it updates, change the units between megabits and megabytes, and tweak colors or transparency so it doesn't distract you while you work. Finally, make sure the option to start the program automatically when Windows starts is turned on. This way, your network speed monitor will always be ready and visible each time you log in, without you having to open it manually. And that's all you need to enable a network speed monitor on Windows 11.